When you experience problems with Windows 10, one of the simplest yet most effective things that you can do is to update Windows. Oftentimes, the updates that Microsoft releases contain bug fixes. Now, I'll be the first to admit that even though this is an advanced course, updating Windows is not exactly an advanced topic. Nonetheless, I wanted to include it in this course simply because of how important it is to keep Windows up to date. Let's take a look at how you update Windows. I'm going to begin by clicking the Start button. Next, I'll go to Settings. From there, I'll click on Update and Security. The Windows Update tab is selected by default, and I'm going to click on Check for Updates. Now at the moment, there are no urgent updates available. But if you look right here, you can see that there's a feature update that's available, and we can install that by clicking on the Download and Install link. I'll go ahead and click on that now. And so as you can see, Windows has begun downloading the update. And then once the download process completes, it will automatically install this update, bringing us up to the latest edition of Windows 10. Okay, so it looks like the installation process has completed. And we can either click Restart Now, or we can schedule the restart to occur at another time. I'm going to go ahead and click Restart Now. And Windows is restarting. Okay, and the system is starting up. And the update has been installed. Anytime it's a good idea to check and see if there are any other updates available. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on the Start button. I'll go to Settings, Update and Security. And let's check for updates, and it looks like there is an update available. So you want to keep checking for updates until there are no more updates to install. But that's how you update Windows 10.